Well, there are many reasons that it can consider as the fasting is invalidated. If the vomiting is naturally, like for an example, naturally, like you ate something in a sahur, or you ate something that has become like a food poison, or that has affected your stomach, that it making you to go run to the bathroom. If it is not a bathroom, and it's forcing you from your stomach to vomit. So this is something naturally that you're just vomiting, and if the vomiting is natural, it does not break the fast at all. If it is natural, unintentionally. But there are many reasons. Something like, for an example, let's say if you ate something on a purpose, and in the purpose you do that just to having a niyyah that when you're going to vomit, and then you are able to drink water or do something. So this is all based on your niyyah. So this is the something like when you did the beginning of the fasting in a sahur, you had already a niyyah that you're going to eat something, and that's gonna break your fast if you do it intentionally, eat something. There is another way that's going to break your fast, is by you trying to force yourself by putting a finger in your mouth all the way down as much as possible, because by medically, if you try to put the finger all the way down, it will try to pressure you from inside to come out. So if you're trying to do that, so you're going to vomit and you can take a drink of water or something, this fasting is not valid. So you have to cover up next after the Ramadan. You have to cover up this fasting. This makes the fasting invalid. So whatever you do the fasting, if you have a pure niyyah the fasting, and you vomiting naturally, that does not break your fast. But if you have a niyyah of you trying to force your stomach, and you have to vomit, and you're going to drink of water, and the two reasons: if you eat something to pressure yourself to vomit, that fasting is not valid, and that's going to break your fast. And the second example was that if you try to use the force by your finger putting in your mouth, and you're putting all the way downside, and just to pressure so you can spit it out, and you can throw up, and you throw up, that fasting is invalid, and that's going to break your fast.